Today I'll be discussing how the animal cell and the plant cell are similar to a functioning city. As you can see, the animal cell has a circular-like shape and the plant cell has more of a rectangular-like shape. Now, like all cities, they're not the same. So the plant cell city has two major differences that the animal city does not have. The plant cell city has a cell wall, which will play the role of the security, like the security of that city. Another major difference is the chloroplast, which will play the role of the solar energy plants. This is also where photosynthesis takes place. Continuing, we have the nucleus. The nucleus would be City Hall, which is the control center and takes care of all the major activities that occur in the cells. We can't forget the cytoplasm, which is what keeps all of the organelles together, keeps all of the parts of the city together, plays the role of the ground and the lawns of the city. It's the foundation in which keeps these cities functioning. And then we have the mitochondria. The mitochondria plays the role of our power companies and is the powerhouse of the cell, providing it with majority of its energy. We have the cell membrane, which surrounds the city, plays the role of the city limits, controls what goes in and what comes out of the city. Then we have the ER, the endoplasmic reticulum. This right here is the transportation. It controls where the proteins and the lipids go for the cells. And then we have the ribosomes, which are these yellow dots, which play the roles of the citizens, because they are what is creating jobs and allowing the city to function. And in the cell, it is what makes the proteins. And then both the animal and plant cell have vacuoles, which play the role of storage units, which stores, but the plant city has a central vacuole, which is much larger and takes majority of the space of the city. Then we have the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is like our post office, like UPS. Most of the processing, packaging, and distribution of the proteins and lipids occur here. And we can't forget the lysosomes. Lysosomes is the trash dumps of these cities, which gets rid of waste. All of these organelles and all of these parts of the city plays a major role in helping these cities and cells function. So now I hope y'all have a better understanding of how the animal and the plant cell are both similar to a functioning city. Thank you.